In this video, I will show you how to set a reminder in Google Keep. First, open up Google Keep. If you're on desktop like me, just head to keep.google.com and log into your account. Next, find the note you want to get reminded about and click on it. Then, just click on the little bell icon at the bottom of the note. A drop-down will pop up with a few quick options, like setting a reminder for tomorrow, next week, or even later today. If none of those work for you, you can hit Pick Date and Time to set a custom reminder. Choose the exact date and time you want. You can also set a location-based reminder, so you will get notified when you're at a specific place. And that's how to set a reminder on Google Keep.